But first, breaking tonight, the preliminary hearing for the man accused of assassinating Turning Point USA founder Charlie Kirk is on a multi-week pause after a full week of presentations. Tyler Robinson could face the death penalty if he is tried and convicted. Our senior correspondent Claudia Cowan is in Provo, Utah tonight to wrap up what we learned on this final day and what comes next. Good evening, Claudia.
Good evening, Aisha. Testimony ended with the defense trying to cast doubt on the ballistics evidence, but the day opened with a fiery remark from the lead prosecutor.
The evidence is overwhelming. It's devastating.
Over 5 days of testimony, prosecutors laid out their case against accused assassin Tyler Robinson, saying the evidence shows he assassinated Charlie Kirk exactly 10 months ago. The centerpiece, a video interview with Lance Twiggs, Robinson's former roommate and romantic partner. Twiggs said Robinson confessed in writing and in person, talked about wanting to retrieve the rifle he left near the crime scene, and explained why he targeted Kirk, writing in a text, "I've had enough of his hatred. Some hate can't be negotiated out." But Robinson later expressed some remorse.
He started crying a little bit and said he wishes he hadn't done it.
Twiggs also identified Robinson in surveillance images by his shoes and sunglasses. Prosecutors presented video, cell phone, and Discord chat records, DNA from the alleged murder weapon, and engraved bullets to argue the killing was premeditated. The defense challenged nearly every key piece of evidence, including ballistics. Prosecutors responded that while the ATF could not make a conclusive match, it also could not rule out a link between the bullet from Kirk's autopsy and the rifle tied to Robinson. The case drew intense public attention, with Charlie Kirk's widow, Erica, attending daily, often emotional. In a statement, the Kirks say, quote, "It brings our family comfort to know that the world has witnessed the overwhelming evidence of what occurred to Charlie that day." And it's important to note that this is not the last day of this preliminary hearing. Everyone will be back here in Provo on September 1st to make their closing arguments, and then sometime after that, the judge will rule on whether there's enough probable cause to move this case to trial. Aisha.
Okay, Claudia Cowan for us. Thank you very much.